Good morning, Hubs Heroes. My name is Manny. Today we're going to be going over how to understand energy efficiency ratings for water heaters. The energy factor EF is a crucial metric system needed for water heater efficiency. It represents the ratio of useful energy output to total energy input. The higher the EF, the more efficient the water heater is. Gas and electric water heaters have different EF ratings. For electric and gas storage tank water heaters, the Uniform Energy Factor UEF is a standardized measure of efficiency. It accounts for standby losses, cycling losses, and off-mode losses. A higher UEF indicates a more efficient water heater. Look for the Energy Star label. Water heaters with the certification meet or exceed strict energy guidelines. Choosing an Energy Star certified unit can result in significant energy saving and potential rebates. While more efficient water heaters typically have higher upfront costs, they can result in long-term energy savings. In the next video of this series, we're going to talk about how to choose water heaters if your home is all electric. On to the next.